We've all been there. It's 25 degrees, but it feels like 40. Your skin is sticky, your towels won't dry, and your basement smells like a wet dog's gym locker. People say, it's not the heat, it's the humidity. And they're right. But how do we actually get that water out of the air today? We're tearing apart the magic box in the corner of your room, the dehumidifier. To understand a dehumidifier, you only need to understand one thing: condensation. You know how a cold soda can sweat on a hot day? That's not the soda leaking through the metal. That is water vapor from the air hitting a cold surface, losing energy, and turning back into a liquid. A dehumidifier is basically just a machine designed to be a bigger cold soda can. Most dehumidifiers use a refrigerant cycle, similar to your fridge or the air conditioner. Here is the 4-step journey of the dehumidifier. First step is the intake. A fan pulls the humid air into the unit through a filter. Next are the cold coils or the evaporator. The air passes over coils filled with a freezing cold refrigerant. This is where the magic happens. The moisture in the air hits those coils, turns into liquid drops, and drips down into the reservoir bucket. Third are the warm coils, or the condenser. Now the air is dry, but since it's cold air, it passes over a second set of coils which are warm. This is called the condenser. This brings the air back up to room temperature. The fourth and the final step is the exhaust. The now dry, slightly warm air is blown back into your room. A common mistake people make is thinking a dehumidifier is an air conditioner. While they use the same tech, an AC vents the heat outside. A dehumidifier keeps the heat inside. So, if your room feels a tiny bit warmer while it's running, don't panic. That's just physics doing its job. Here are some quick tips for better performance of your dehumidifier. Clean your filter. If it's clogged, the machine works twice as hard for half the result. Placement matters. Don't shove it against a wall. It needs breathing room for the intake fan to grab that moist air. So, that's it. It's just a giant, motorized version of a cold drink on a summer porch, pulling gallons of water out of moist air so you can finally stop living in a swamp. If this helped you breathe a little easier, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.